What's going on? It's Nice Pants Lance. I normally wouldn't do an intro for a little walk around and exhaust video, but I just couldn't help myself. This is too grand of an opportunity, and I just had to say a few comments about this. I had a CBX1000 in my possession, and before it hit YouTube, I ended up selling it to someone, and hopefully that bike is off to greener pastures. But I've had the opportunity to inspect this beautiful 1979 Honda CBX, and I just wanted to show you this thing. Yeah, let me fire this thing up because I know you all are dying to hear the CBX. Well, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for checking out this amazing bike, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.